Maci. Today we're making a science experiment video. And Abel's my assistant. And we have safety. Mommy. We have safety goggles. Abel's safety goggles. He already has them. First, we're going to make a rainbow. Abel, you want to help a bit?
Yep.
All right, Abel, you want this one or the green one?
This one.
I'll be the green. No, the yellow. So, Abel, this is how you do it. Squeeze first, and let go like that. Then fill it up. You want to try?
Oh, yeah. Look, mine's really
It'll
full.
do the same one I did. Pull it out. Fill it. Finally. Squeeze it. And suck it. We finished filling up our test tubes. They're all at 40, just like we need. Abel, can you pass me over the food coloring?
Yep.
Abel, that's not food coloring. Thank you. So first color is going to be baby pink.
Ooh, aw, cutie pie. He's a little cutie pie.
Oh, it squirts in 2 drops.
Mommy.
1. Oh, that was enough for 1.
Mommy, can you
All right, guys,
help me?
and our second color is going to be purple. Not baby purple, normal.
No.
All right, open it up. Dun, dun, dun.
Try nice.
Boop. Ah, it's not going in.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, that was a big one.
Whoa, yeah, a really big one.
Oh, I don't think that was enough.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Watch out. Ooh, that was a big one.
And really, it's
Anyway, now I'm going to use teal. I don't really know what I should call it right now, but we have to be careful so we don't get on
that scared you.
There we go. The baby pink looks like it needs one more. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
We'll do it right now. Right. Finish up the lid. Since it's so light, shall we do 3 for it? Yeah, I think so too. Mommy's our vlogger. Alright guys, time to stir them up.
Well, they're getting kind of dark, Mace. If you do the red ones, I like red.
No, Abel.
It's
I'm the director. Alright guys, I'm asked Abel if he can pass me some towels. Abel, can you pass me these towels, please? No, those aren't towels. These are. Hey.
I understand.
So we need towels. So guys, this is a special sentence. So this is it's you can still do it the way. And the other end goes in the second cup. All right, we just leave that to set for a bit.
Control. I'm playing with my remote control.
And then put the second one in
Oh, I
here.
left my remote control.
And the other one in here.
The other one here.
All right, and now we just have to leave them
Now we just have to leave
and let it happen.
and let it happen.
I don't think. All right, guys, look, the rainbowy. We'll see you in science experiment number 2.
That's actually mine.
Bye. All right, guys, this is science part 2, and now let's start doing the science experiment. So we're gonna fill this up with baking soda. And my mom is going to help me over here and put it on. And then I'm going to push the fingers up. Then I'll make it in here. Then I'll make the thing float. So we're going to try it out today. First, we need to put the vinegar in. I promise I peed. I don't know. That's enough in the middle. And next, we're gonna fill this up with baking soda. If you guys don't know what baking soda is, it's this. Fill it up. And guys, don't try to do this yourself. Ask a parent to help. How about two? Then we'll get it down in the fingers. All right, let me see if that's enough. Go down in the fingers. All right, guys, we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, now my mom helped me with this part. You can use a rubber band, a hair tie, anything you guys have. So now we're gonna dump all the baking soda into the vinegar. Are you ready? Are you set? Are you go? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Fail.
Done.
Guys, he just exploded. It was cool, but until it exploded. So let's try to lift it up and see what happens. This is what's gonna happen. I think we put too much vinegar.
Or baking soda.
Yeah. Well, you live it and you learn it. Well, we'll see you in part 3. Alright guys, we cleaned up that huge mess we made. So first, we're doing number 3. So you see we have 2 eggs. So we're going to make a bouncy egg. So hard egg. It doesn't work. Look. Can't do it. Well, now we just messed up the egg. There you go, Mommy. But if you pour vinegar, it'll be a toy bouncy egg. So that's what we're going to try. Vinegar. That's a good amount.
Mommy, why does Macy have an egg?
All right, now we just need it to wait.
What's happening?
Guys, look at all the bubbles. What's happening?
Mommy, I want to use my laser eyes.
Go for it.
I just cut the last one.
What's happening, Abel? All right, guys, it's been 3 minutes, but it's not ready. It's gonna take a long time. So, well, we'll see you when it's ready. All right, guys. We're back with you. And guess what? Nighttime. Egg. Oh, it's popping open. No, on this side, it's like a yellow spot. Well, let's grab it out. Oh, I can't do it. It feels like a soggy piece of cereal. Your soggy cereal, Mr. Egg. How do you lift it up? Boing.
Whoa!
Oh, it's cracking if you do it.
How's it feel?
Disgusting. The worst.
Bounce it again, not from too high.
Like that.
Yeah.
I could use this as a
You put it
made
under right.
a bouncy ball out of an egg.
Can I draw on it to make it decorated?
Sure.
Go get me something, please.
So did it work?
Yes. It is not a fail. Oh, it broke.
Let me see. Oh, okay, let's not make a big mess. All right, so does this one work out?
Abel. You want a new toy egg? Come here.
Bring it. Guys, which one was your favorite science experiment?
Mom, let's do
My favorite one is the egg one.
Here, very.
Which is your favorite, Stinky?
The balloon one that
The blue one?
Balloon.
A balloon one.
The one that exploded?
Yeah. The balloon.
Well, there's subscribe and it's right up here. Bye! Bye!